Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If someone mic is on, please switch off your mics. Today, inshallah, we will learn the lesson from the book. Ad-Darsul Khamisu, fifth lesson. This is a conversation between the teacher and the students. Al-Mudarrisu man fataha babal fasli. Man fataha babal fasli. So here you see Baba. Actually, this is Babul Fasli. This is Babul Fasli. Babul Fasli. This is Dhamma here. Babul Fasli. And Babu is Mudaf and Al Fasli is Mudafilai. Classroom door. Door of the classroom. Babul Fasli. Door of the classroom. So here Baba. Baba is mansoob here because of the maf'ul bihi. Because of the maf'ul bihi, Babu, it was marfu, it changed into mansoob and it became Babal Fasli. Man fataha, who opened? Man fataha, who opened? Man is maf'ul. Man is subject here. Fataha, this is verb. This is fail. And the verb is being done on the Baba. The target of Fataha is Baba door. The target of the verb is Baba, Babu. So Babu is here marsoob. It become Baba. It become Baba. Man Fataha Babal Fasli, who opened the door of the classroom. Who opened the door of the classroom. Man is file, subject, Fataha is verb, and Baba is maf'ul bihi, object. Baba is object here. Ana fatahtuhu. Ana, I. So this is Jumlatul Ismiya. Ana fatahtuhu. It is starting with the ism. This is a pronoun. This is a first person mutakallam. This is a first person mutakallam pronoun. So we call it mutakallam, first person singular mutakallam. Ana fatahtuhu. Fataha. Fataha is verb here. Fataha is verb here. And who this is object. Who is object here? Who is using for Baba? Who is the pronoun of Baba? I opened it. Ana fatahtuhu. I opened it. So this is Ana is mubtada and fatahtuhu is khabar. This is a predicate. Fatahtuhu is a predicate of the Jumlatul Ismiya. Ana fatahtuhu, I opened it. And who of fataha? Who of fatahtu is object. This is object. And this is mansoob here. This is object and this is mansoob here because it is pronoun. Because it is pronoun, attached pronoun, and they are mabni, they are indeclinable, they remain constant. Even it is mansoob, it will take it will take dhamma. They don't change their haraka. Even it is mansoob here. Ana fatahtuhu, I opened it. And this who is mansoob. This who is mansoob here, but it don't take fatah. Waman fatahan nawafiza, and who opened the windows. Fatahan nawafiza, who opened the window. Here man is a file subject. You can say man is a mubtada. Man is a mubtada. Man is a file. Man is a subject. Man fataha. Fataha is verb here. Fataha is verb, fail. And target of fail, target of verb is nawafiza. Target of verb is nawafiza. Who opened the windows? The work is being done on window. Target of the verb is windows. So an-nawafizu. This is an-nawafizu. This is an-nawafizu. An-nawafizu. Because it is mansoob here. Because it is object. It is maf'ul bihi. So this who nawafizu change into nawafiza. Man fatahan nawafiza, who opened the windows. This is plural of the nafizatun. Ana fatahtuha. Ana, I. Fatahtuha, opened it. Fatahtu, the fataha is fail, and ha is using for the nawafiza. Ha we are using for the word nawafiza. Plural of irrational being, plural of non-intelligent, or plural of irrational being, or plural of the ghair aqil things. We treat them as a feminine singular. We treat them as a feminine singular. So nawafiza here is plural of nafizatun, and this is non-intelligent, irrational being, ghair aqil. So plural of ghair aqil, we treat it as a feminine singular, and we use demonstrative pronouns as feminine singular. So ana fatahtuha, I opened them. I opened them. We will translate I opened them. This is plural. Ha is here plural because it is being used for nawafiza, for windows. And fatahtuha, ha is mansoob here, like an-nawafiza. An-nawafiza is mansoob. Ha is also mansoob here because ha is a pronoun we are using for the nawafiza. Ana fatahtuha, I opened it. And this one, the file, the subject, it is always marfu. We have learned this one. The file will always marfu and the object will be mansoob. Man kasara, who opened? So who broke? Man kasara, who broken? Hazal maktabi. Hazal maktaba. So maktaba. Hazal maktaba. This is object here. Actually, this is hazal maktabu. Hazal maktabu. But because it is maf'ul bihi, it is object. So it become hazal maktaba. Who opened this table? Who broken this desk or who broken this table? Okay. Next is A anta kasartahu ya Hashimu. O Hashim, did you break it? A anta kasartahu ya Hashimun. O Hashim, did you break it? Kasara is fail. Anta is file. Anta is file. And who? Who is mansoob here? Who is mansoob? Who we are using for the maktaba? Who we are using for the maktaba? Who is a pronoun of maktaba? And here maktaba is mansoob. So here who is mansoob? Who is object here? Here maktaba is object, and here who is object here? This is a attached pronoun. Anta kasartahu ya Hashimu. O Hashim, did you break it? La, no. Inni ma kasartahu. Inni, I. Indeed, I. This is inna, and this is ye. Ya mutakallam. Inni. Indeed, I mad not. Kasartahu, break it. I did not break it. I did not break it. La, no. Inni ma kasartahu. I did not break it. So here inni, this is ismu inna. This is ismu inna. We have learned in the first lesson of this book. Ma kasartahu, I did not break it. Kasara is here. Kasara is verb fail. To is object here, and who? To is a file here, and who is the object here? I did not break it. La ma kasartahu, I did not break it. So this who is a pronoun for maktaba. Who is a pronoun of maktaba, and it is maf'ul bihi. La inni ma kasartahu. No, I did not break it. So inni is file. Inni is file subject. Kasara is verb, and who is object here. La inni ma kasartahu. No, I did not break it. A raja'a Zakaria. A raja'a Zakaria wa Hamzatu wa Usmanu min Makkata. Okay. Did Zakaria, Hamza and Usman returned from Makkah? Did Hamza, Zakaria, Hamza and Usman returned from Makkah? This is verbal sentence. It is starting from a verb. Raja'a is a verb. Now we are learning. This is verbal. The sentences there are there. We have learned they were nominal sentences, and now this is verbal sentences. A raja Zakaria wa Hamzatu wa Usmanu min Makkata. Zakaria, Hamza and Usman. These are plural. Zakaria, Hamza and Usman, they are the plural. For the verbal sentences, we use first form of the verb, raja'a. Even the file is plural. Even the file is plural, the subject is plural, but the verb we will use singular. We will use first form of the verb. Like yesterday, you have learned this one. Okay. You see here, yesterday you have learned this one. For a nominal sentence, if a sentence start with a noun, we use for plural, we use plural form. At-tulabu zahabu. But if the verbal sentence, we use zahabat tulabu. At-tulabu is plural. At-tulabu is plural. But we are using first form of the verb, zahaba. In the verbal sentences, we will use always first form of the verb. Even though the subject, the file is plural. La ma raja'u, no, they did not return. La ma raja'u, they did not return. Raja, here you say, they did not return. So here wow is a file. Wow means they. This wow means they. They. Wow means they. They. No, they did not return. And this alif, we call it aliful vikaya. We write it, but we don't pronounce it. Ma raja'u, no, they did not return. Ya ustazu, kharajat tulabul jududu. Here you see, at-tulabu. At-tulabu is plural. But we are using first form of the verb. We are using first form of the verb, kharaja. We are not using kharaju. We are not using kharaju for the plural in the verbal sentences. We will use first form of the verb, kharajat tulabul jadudu. The new students went out. Kharaja, went out. The new students went out, was zahabu ilal mudiri, and they went to the headmaster. Zahabu ilal mudiri, and they went to the headmaster. Afahim tad darsa ya talhatu. Afahim tad darsa ya talhatu. Fahima, this is fahima. Fahima is verb. Fahima is verb. Afahimta, ta is subject here. Ta is a subject here. Do you understand? Did you understand? Afahimta, do you understand? Do you understand? Darsa. The target of fahima, the target of the verb is darsa. So ad-darsu, it become mansub and it become ad-darsa. Afahim tad darsa ya talhatu. Did you understand the lesson? Did you understand the lesson, O Talha? Afahim tad darsa ya talhatu. Did you understand the lesson, O Talha? Naam, yes. Fahimtuhu. Fahimtuhu. This is verbal sentence. Fahimtuhu is verbal sentence. So fahima, this is verb. Tu, this tu. This is pronoun of ana. This is a subject. This is subject here. Tu is subject here. File. And who is object here? Who? Who? Fahimtuhu, who is object? Who is object? Tu is subject and fahima is verb here. Naam fahimtuhu jayyidan. Yes, I understood well. Yes, I understand it well. Yes, I understood it well. Jayidan, well. Yes, I understand it well. So who is mansoob here? Who we are using for darsa? Who we are using for darsa? So darsa is object, and here who is object? Akatabtal ajvibata. Ajvibata is plural, and we use first form of the katabta, kataba. This is actually kataba. So kataba is verb. Kataba is verb, and ta, this is subject here. Ta here is subject. Did you write? Katabta, did you write? Al ajvibata, the answers. Did you write the answers? Ya Faisal or Faisal, did you write the answer or have you written the answer? Did you write the answer or have you written the answer? Kataba, verb, ta, subject, file, al ajwibatu, this is object, and it is mansoob. Al ajwibatu, this is al ajwibatu, because it is mansoob, so it will take here fatha. Ajwibatu. La, no. Ma katabtuhu. Ma katabtuhu, I did not write it. Sorry, ma katabtuha, I did not write it. So kataba, kataba is verb here, and tu, this tu mean I. I is a file, tu is a file. Tu is a file here, and ha is object. Ha we are using for the ajvibata. Ajvibata was object there, so ha is object here. I did not write them. So here the ha mean them. I did not write them. I did not write them. Ma katabtuhu, I did not write them. Limaza, why? Li annani, because. Li annani, because I. Ma fahimtu asilata. I did not understand the questions. Because I did not understand the questions. So he did not understand the questions. That's why he could not write the answers. This is nominal sentences. Li annani. I. This is object here. Sorry, this is subject here. I is a subject here. Li annani, I. Ma fahimtu, fahima is verb here. Asilata, questions. Question is mansoob here. Question is mansoob here. Asilata, I did not understand the questions. And this is Jumlatul Ismiya. Li annani, this is Ismu inna, and ma fahamtul asilata, this is khabru inna. We call it khabru inna. Ahfizta, hafizta surat al-fajri ya Ibrahimu. Hafiza is verb here. Hafiza is verb. Ta is subject here. Ta is a subject. This is file. And the verb, target of the verb is surata. Target of the verb is surata. The work of memorizing is being done on surata. So this is suratu, and it becomes surata. After being mansoob, it becomes surata. because it is object, it is a target of the verb, and target of the verb is object, maf'ul bihi. Ahafizta Surat al-Fajri, Ya Ibrahimu, O Ibrahim, did you memorize the Surat al-Fajr? O Ibrahim, did you memorize the Surat al-Fajr? Naam, yes. Hafiztuha. Naam, hafiztuha. Hafiza is verb. And tu is file. Tu is file. And ha is using for the surata. Surata is maf'ul bihi. So ha is a pronoun of surata. Ha is mansub here. Naam hafiztuha. Yes, I memorized it. Yes, I have memorized it. Wa hafiztu surat at-tini. Wa hafiztu, and I memorized. Hafiza. Here hafiza is verb. And tu is file. Tu is file. And surata is maf'ul bihi object. Wa hafiztu surat at-tini aidan, and I memorized surat tin also. I memorized surat tin also. So this is our lesson for today. So any of you have any question, you can ask here, or you can just simply type there in the chat. If any of you have any question, you please raise your hand or you type there in the chat box. I raise it for you so you can read it easily. Yes, Zakaria Lukman. Please, what is your question? Okay, who will read it? Who want to read? Okay, Binte Ibrahim. Yes, Zakaria, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Anything you want to ask? Okay, you have a problem with your internet and connection. Okay, so Binte Ibrahim, you read this one.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ad-darsul khamisu, lesson number 5. Al-mudarrisu, the teacher. Man fataha bab al-fasli, who opened the door. Hamidun, Hamid. Ana fatahtuhu, I opened it. Al-mudarrisu,
Man fataha Babar firstly, who opened the classroom door of the classroom.
yes sir, who opened the door of the classroom. Hamidun, Hamid. Ana fatahtuhu, I opened it. Al-mudarrisu, the teacher. Waman fataha nawafidha, and who opened the windows.
Okay, good.
Aliyu, Ali. Ana fatahtuha, I opened them. Al-mudarrisu, the teacher. Man kasara hadhal maktaba, who broke this table.
Okay.
Anta kasartahu ya Hashimu. Did you break this? That. Did you break that, oh Hashim? Hashimun Hashim. La. Inni ma kasartuhu. No, I did not break it. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Araja'a Zakariya wa Hamzatu wa Usmanu min Makkata. Did Zakaria, Hamza and Usman return from Makkah? Hamidun Hamid. La ma raja'u. No, they did not return. Abbasun Abbas ya Ustazu. Kharajat tullabul jududu wa zahabu ilal mudiri. O teacher, the new student went out. Yes, sir. The new students went out and they went to the principal. Yes, sir.
Okay.
They went to the principal.
If we use fataha, if we use fatahtu without ana, then it will be a verbal sentence. Fatahtuhu, I opened it, so it will be a verbal sentence. And ana fatahtuhu, it is a nominal sentence. Nominal sentence starts with the noun and the verbal sentence starts with the ana. If we don't write here ana, if here we remove this ana, it will be a verbal sentence. Fatahtuhu, yes, fatahtuhu, I opened it. Meaning will be same. Meaning is same. We can do it like this. But then it will be a nominal, it will be a verbal sentence. No more nominal sentence. In this sentence, ana is mubtada and fatahtuhu is khabar. Nominal sentences have two parts, mubtada and khabar. Ana is mubtada and fatahtuhu is khabar. And if you want to remove ana, then it is no more nominal sentences. It becomes verbal sentence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Yasin, I hope it is clear for you. Okay, please continue.
Yes, sir. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Afahimta darsa ya Talhatu. O Talha, did you understand the lesson? Talhatu Talha. Naam fahimtuhu jayyida. Yes, I. Jayyidan. Yes, sir. Naam fahimtuhu jayyidan. Yes, I understood it very well. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Akatabtal ajwibata ya Faisalu. O Faisal, did you write the answers? Faisal, la ma katabtuha. No, I did not write it.
Okay.
I did not write them. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Limadha, why? Faisal, li'annani ma fahimtuhu as'ilata, because I did not understand the questions.
Li'annani ma fahimtul asilata. Fahimtul asilata.
Li'annani ma fahimtul as'ilata, because I did not understand the questions. Sir, here li'annani is the sir, it is a verbal sentence or a nominal sentence?
Nominal sentences. Li'annani. Annani. Anna ismu anna
Yes,
ni. So this is ismu inna. It.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is a ya mutakallam. Yes, sir.
Yes, ya mutakallam. Annani.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher. Ahafizta Surat al-Fajri ya Ibrahimu. O Ibrahim, did you learn Suratul Fajr?
Did you
Ibrahim.
memorize? Did you memorize?
Yes, sir, memorize. Yes, sir. Did you memorize Suratul Fajr? Ibrahimu, Ibrahim, Naam, Hafiztuha, wa Hafiztu Surat at-Tayni Aizan. Yes, I did. I learned it, and I learned the Suratul Tain also.
Yes. Naam
I
Hafiz.
memorize. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
Yes.
memorize it. Yes.
Okay.
I
Okay.
did memorize it, and I also memorized Suratul Tain also.
Okay. Good. Thank you. So our time is over. Tomorrow, inshallah,
Yes, sir.
we will continue with the next lesson. Any of you have any question?
So did I complete it?
It is already completed. Okay. So ila liqai massalama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Massalama.